Hello, how are you, mates? Igama lami ex Benedict Ngwenya from Inquisitive Aspirio. Namhlanje sivakashele usisi uPhumla K. Phumla K is a life coach. So abantu abaningi-ke indaba yama-life coach abayithathi serious. Kanti yeyi ibaluleke kakhulu ngendlela esimanga. Sawubona sisi Phumla K.
Sawubona, Benedict.
Unjani
I'm
namhlanje?
good, and how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Siyabonga.
So umuntu mayethi ngifuna ukuba life coach, ngifuna ukumcoacha ngempilo, ngisuke ngifuna ini. What is a life coach?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, for having me here. A life coach, I can say, we have soccer players, we have your athletics. A coach must be there to coach the team, isn't it?
Definitely.
Yes. So, Mina, from my side, I'm a coach about life. I coach people about life, how to navigate challenges of life. A coach is somebody like your psychologist, though I'm not a psychologist, or your therapist, so where you have problems about life, and we sit and then we talk about life, and also be able to help you, to assist you to navigate about life challenges. It's all about helping you to cope in life. Yes, it's all about that.
So sizabantu abakanjani mhlawumbe let's say umuntu unenkinga kwe-relationship, unenkinga emndenini, unenkinga emsebenzini, unenkinga psychologically, sizabantu abakanjani?
All right. Yeah, thank you so much
Awuyichaze
for
nje
that.
kahle.
Okay. I can say wonke umuntu ngiyamnceda. It doesn't matter the age, the size, the color, the race. Everybody is allowed to come and do consultation with me. I care life coaching. We tend to run away from ama challenges wempilo and ukhuluma amaqiniso. Say umuntu une problem ekhaya or emsebenzini and akakhona ukuventa out to anyone. That's where I come in mina ukuthi awungaze asazani. You come to me, I'm able to assist you to check ukuthi what kind of a challenge is that. Yini problem obhekane nayo. We talk about your trauma, crisis, relationships, marriages. There's a lot in a life coaching that I'm doing. Even sometimes, let's say, kona lagunesi for corner, I'm able to go there and go to Duza to send my condolences to the family. I'm able to do that. Or women you mean to tell hey, Tina like we are not those people who attend church. No, there are families who like that. And now, Msebenzi onje like and unfortunately, as Namfundisi, can you do be part of this? Yes, fortunately enough, I was blessed with that gift. I'm also able to be a pastor for that moment, though I'm not ordained to do that. But due to Umsebenzi Ngwenza as a life coach, I know where to touch, I know where to go, and I know what to do.
Oh, yes. Okay. So what about the cliche statements that abantu psychologists work hard, no, you'll see the light at the end of the tunnel, no, I kuzondlula every storm, siyendlula, like akubabhora abantu wenza kanjani ukuthi
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
ukuthi hayi ifana noba ubona ukuthi hey Nkosi yami
Yeah,
sengikhokhe imali yami.
Yeah, that is true. That is what you're saying. Ukuthi abantu baba nalento ukuthi we always hear about motivations. What is that all about? Iyenzani motivation empilweni yami? Ine-impact i-motivation empilweni yomuntu because asithi naku uthole ulahlekelwe umsebenzi, you've lost your job, and manje unama-challenges ukuthi uzophila kanjani ungasenamali. And then bese umuntu uyafika athi kuwe uBenedict, hayi ba strong, uthola umsebenzi ngelinye ilanga. Okay, inenkinga ayifuni, I don't want that. Ngifuna into ebambekayo. You understand? So mina as a life coach, kumele ngithi mangiza kuwe, ngizoku-encourage, kumele ngikwenzele nama-examples ukuthi you know what, kunabantu abahleli abangasebenzi, abangakaze basebenza. Umuntu akutshela ukuthi I'm 50, I never in my life got a job. And wena okay, umsebenzi uqeda ukulahlekela for 3 months, and maybe kuleyo 3 months leyo umsebenzi usakulahlekela usalinde imali zakho zasemsebenzini. It can be your retrenchment or uya ku pension, and then that money le ozoyithola emsebenzini mhlambe after a certain period. Mina ngizoku-encourage ukuthi mawusothule leyo mali leyo, that lump sum, start a business, do something about yourself.
So uza ne-practical solution.
Yes, mina ngikunikeza yes, no. Ngikunikeza ngikunikeza a practical solution ukuthi okay, since uthi baku-retrenchile emsebenzini, uthi uya ku-pension, and now you are afraid ukuthi uzohlala ekhaya, awuna any source of income. What do you do? I cannot just come to you and say, hey man, ba strong, vele umsebenzi uphelile. No, mele ngikunikeze ama-ideas ukuthi okay Benedict, umsebenzi uphelile na, baku-retrenchile and bathi after 2 months bazonikeza imali zenu. Benedict, unama skills. I know unama skills, uke wayenza ne-IT, uyakwazi nokupheka. Why can't you start a catering company? Why can't you start something like this, your podcast, and invite people and interview them and make money out of it?
Yeah, nayo ke into engezwana nayo awulokhu ungiyala nawe umshaya ngeke ngayiboni kahle izokusazi ngeke ngidle ubani light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah, that is true. But you know, mina somewhere ngiyajabula ukuthola ama-motivations from other people. Aya upliftana. For an example, we have a Bible. Sikhule sifunda a Bible. A Bible is a guiding book that guide us, and if iBhayibheli lalingekho, though abantu banenkulumo ezini ukuthi ubani wabhala iBhayibheli, what's that and all that, you understand? So mina from my side, and la ngikhulele khona, iBhayibheli it's something ebalulekile. It's a guiding book that teaches me how to live my life, how to take care of myself, and how to respect other people. Ikwenza ukuthi ube grounded. You understand? So ama motivations mina kimi ayasebenza. Let's say I'm listening to Oprah Winfrey, ngenze example, saying some big names, saying this and that and that. To me, kunento engizoyigrabha from her. You understand? Like myself now, I'll come with the topic never allow the scars of your past to determine your abilities.
Yes.
Umuntu will be like, what is she talking about? Which are those scars? The scars that I'm talking about is ama challenges ayokuvelela emhlabeni. For an example, omunye umuntu athi mina I was in a abusive relationship. My partner used to abuse me, even financially or emotionally. And then mina mase ngiza kuwe, I'll be saying usahlala na kulo mshado lo, or usahlala kule relationship, and you were this relationship, it's so toxic, and now ikwenza ukuthi na like ungasathathi kahle. So what do you do ukuthi so that now uzophola and uqhubeke nempilo? Okay, fine. Uthi wena no, mina le relationship ngiyaphuma kuyo because it's so toxic for my health. Ngiyaphuma kule relationship. Fine. So phumile kule relationship, but usacabanga emuva ukuthi yazi njengoba ngangiku relationship no Benedict. Yeah, uthi njengoba bengiku relationship no Benedict. uBenedict beyakhona ukuthi angithengile ipota at the end of the day. Bengalali ngingadlanga, angiphi 5 rand a time. You understand? Manje sengi all by myself. Manje uyakhala ukuthi yazi bokungcono if bengino Benedict. Mara uBenedict bekakabuse.
Yes.
Uyayibona ukuthi it's so dangerous kanjani. Those guys washiye emuva and continue with your life. Okay, uqolela ukuthi uzoshayelwa i5 rand ye data or uqolela ukuthi uzoshayelwa i12 rand ye kota. Just because wena unezandla, uNkulunkulu uphi izandla uphe ingqondo. Wena manje you depend ku Benedict. What about wena ukuthi uzenzele? Those scars zizophila nawe because wena usacabanga uBenedict. Awufuni ukumove on ngempilo. And you will find ukuthi say I'm a girl and uNkulunkulu ngiphe izandla. Ngikwazi ukwenza abantu inwele. Uyakhona ukuthi uzivulele small nyana salon lapha egarage kini or ngaphandle uchina abantu ubayenze inwele. And you'll be shocked, you'll be surprised ukuthi ngelanga mhlambe wenze 100 rand. And wena uBenedict wayekupha mali 20 rand.
Yeah.
The difference now is 80 rand. Now you are able ukuthi uphile, meaning use your abilities rather than uloku ubambelele kuma scars ake wayenzela.
Umuntu ohlalela abantwana yena ungathini ngaye? Let's say mhlawumbe uhleli sekuyihlazo nje, mhlawumbe umama okhonzayo, umama okholwayo, ukhulele emndenini o-right, unobaba nomama, kunale fear yokuthi Nkosi yami mangiphuma la iy'ngane zami Nkosi yami izoba kule nto le ye-tug of war, nanokuthi kuzolwela i-custody, ubaba uzothi nomama uzothi, ubaba wathi bengasazondli le y'ngane futhi bawumthwalo kimi. Uthini kumuntu onjalo?
Yeah, that is true what you are saying, and it does happen every day. Ukuthi umuntu uzohlala emshadweni for 50 years and uhlelele i-abuse for the sake of abantwana.
And omunye uthola uyabuka ukuthi vele I've already got 3 children.
Even more. Utho ukuthi omunye unabantwana abayi-8 kulelo khaya lelo ne, and your partner iyaku-abuse. Bese uthola ukuthi unemployed, umama unemployed, and uthola ukuthi njengoba uhleli ekhaya ungasebenzi, ubaba owayenza ukuthi ungasasebenzi athi no mina ngifuna ube i-housewife. You understand? So you have housewife uhleli yonke into uyicela kubaba.
Yes.
And ubaba namhlanje mangahalelanga ukuphi imali akakuphi, and then bese kumele wenze as a mama, kumele ubone ukuthi abantwana bayadla, and the very same food wena umama oziheresile, ubaba futhi abuye emsebenzini ufuna the very same food le wena oyiherezile and ahlulekile ukuphi
imali edla nama-slay queen.
That one. And then
kunzima la ngaphandle.
Abomama,
Kumele ngenze njani
let me say
navigate that situation?
No, I want to finish this one.
Okay.
Abomama bayahlala emishadweni because of ama-reason ahlukahlukene. Ne, even if wena noma ungeza kimi uzongitshela ukuthi but awukho happy kulo mshado usahleleleni, mina mangiwani masoceda ukuphuma ukuthi uyangihlolela lo at my age makathi ngiphume kulo mshado lo ngiyoyapi. Number 1, ngimdala angisachasheki.
Yes.
And ngiyoyithatha indlu, anginanemali ukuthi ngingathi ngiyoqala impilo somewhere ekhaya. It's even worse. Angeke baze bangiwelcome nokungwelcome dala ngaphuma ekhaya
mabuye emendweni.
Bese nathi futhi abantu siphabantu amagama mabuye emendweni, your return soldier. Abanye uzohlala ku-abusive relationship because of ucabanga ukuthi mase ngibuyela ekasi bazongibheka kanjani ukuthi hey lo return soldier. You understand? So uhleli manje uze ufe ufele ukuthi bazothi
Kula depression sometimes
depression yona is even worse. Depression is even worse. There's something I want to tell you about. Tina, we focus on physical abuse. If physical abuse, I correct, ne? Yes, I want it's physical. And then there's this one that
emotional
is
scars.
Dangerous. Emotional scars. You know what umuntu o abuse emotionally. We also ukundlula lo oshaywa. Why I'm saying that? If ngiza kuwe ngithi ubaba uyangihlupha or umama uyangihlupha, looking at me ngifaka ama lipstick ngimuhle, you be like ayinamanga lo or ayini out ya def. Uyafika uBenedict uthi yazi mamphumla igirlfriend yami yangihlupha. Do you know ukuthi khona abafana abashayayo ukuthi
yeah, nami intombi zodakugwaza la.
You know, umuntu emotional abuse. Uyo odinga uncedo kakhulu, and mostly abakhulumi abantu aba-abuse emotionally because asibakholwa. Thina silindele de sikubone ulimele physical unama-blue eye, then sizothi hayi vele bam-abuse. But if ngizovela ngithi mina hey ekhaya angiphili kahle, looking at my physique, you'll be like lo unama, and leso sikhathi mina I'm dying inside. I need help. That one is very dangerous.
So how do you make sure which you don't let ama-scars past yakho affect the future yakho?
Remember I said le ekhiphe kuleya relationship or kuleya mndeni obungakuphathi kahle or lo msebenzi loya obungakuphathi kahle or izinto ezikhulu eziza kuvelela empilweni, uyakhona ukuthi uphume kuleyo situation leyo. Ngani? Ngokuthi uqale on a clean slate. Ukuthi okay, now I'm a divorced woman and at my age unemployed.
Accept reality.
Manje mele accept reality. Remember I told you about the abilities. Ukuthi nginama abilities ukukhuluma. Why can't I use my voice to change my life? If ngizoloku ngikhala ukuthi okay, bangidivosile, angisebenzi, ngimdala, angikhasheki. What must I do now? Sengiyakhala manje ngibambelele lento angisebenzi bangidivosile. The main factor here is divorce. Hey, now ungilahlile. That one is a scar on its own. Hey, mina ngadlwengulwa.
Yo,
You understand? That it's a scar on its
mina
own.
ngalahlwa ubaba.
Mina ubaba amazi. Umama wangilahla. Imoto yami bayihijacka. Ekhaya kwasha umuzi. Those are the scars. Indlela ekhaya yahamba neyikhukhula ngama-floods. Those are the scars that we deal with them every day. Omunye athi mina angaze ngagcina nini ukudla because of akunama means, even if noma ngathi ngiyoqela next door or my family or whoever sengize ngithola negama ukuthi macela njani. Those scars you live with them ukuthi angisakhona ukuthi ngiphume ngiyofuna uncedo because noma ngaphuma ngithi ngiyofuna uncedo angeke ngize ngithole. So those scars ziyeke uzivulele umgqomo omkhulu usifake lapho uzivalele bese uzovula umgqomo wempilo entsha that has a brighter future for you ukuthi okay, now here I am unemployed but mina ama-abilities izandla zami lezi ngiyakhona ukuzisebenzisa. Ekhaya kunegarage ngaphandle. Why ngingatholi mhlambe noma umuntu ozongincedisa ngihambe ngiye esikolweni sokwenza amazipho. Sengiyahamba manje esikolweni sokwenza amazipho, ngenza amazipho abantu esokuthunga esokubheka. Then I start my life afresh. I forget about lo mgomo loya wala maskazi. Lawo bewangizwisa ubuhlungu
ukuthi ngaxoshwa kwa-teaching.
Waterminatewa emsebenzini, i-contract yakho azange yavuselelwa. Reason nawe ungazazi, but you have all those skills. You have that knowledge. Your qualifications allows you to be there, but along the way, so your contract has been terminated. And then, okay, he says terminate you. What next? What next?
Accept your reality and start building from scratch.
Yes, because if you don't bitter, and if bitterness it causes ezinye izinto ezingenza ukuthi uzithole sowumbulali unaware because you are bitter. You are bitter. Ne? Ngezinto ezikuvelele. You are angry. Uthi mawuhleli uyi-1 uthi ngile out le mina 35 mara angihlanganelwa. Into zami azihlangani. Sengibathe ngifaka ama-CV ngapha, sengiyashayela ngapha. Like into zami azihlangani. You know abantu besilisa.
Ney'ntombi beziqoma isakubona.
Thank you. You know, abantu besilisa males. Singabajaja ukuthi men are trash, men are this, men are that. If we can dig deeper and check ukuthi kahle what is the reason eyenza ukuthi abantu besilisa sibabize ngamagama. Omunye i-anger ne-trauma yento ezamvelela way back.
Yes.
And then lo muntu end up sekana that anger yokuthi azonde abantu besimame. Omunye akutshela ukuthi mina umama mangimazi or ngiyezwa bathi mina I'm a product yokudlengulwa. We understand? Ubaba mangimazi.
That's another emotional scar.
Yeah, it's a emotional scar. Omunye athi mina umama wangidampa esigangeni. Ngadobwa abantu ngakhuliswa ugogo engingamazi. And mawukhula ngisho nalento ukuthi no wazi ukuthi umama lo but isikhathi malo siloku sihamba iqiniso eventually liyaphuma ukuthi no lobo ucabanga ukuthi umama wakho is not your mother. Umama wakho wakushiya esigangeni wadodwa umama omthweni wakukhulisa. That on its own siyakulimaza so iska ngoba you cannot say okay bangilahla vele mina. No, you have to deal with it. If umele ukhale, if umele umone ukuthi mina umama mangimazi, if umele ugrieve, you have to. The challenge
If
is
life coach, you have to.
Thank you. Asigrieve singabantu, asimoni, asinikeze isikhathi sokuthi okay, ngicela ukuzwa this heavy message ukuthi umamami this and that and that. You need to deal with that. Khala kumele ukhala. Uphuziphi yake urodla ama-drugs so-emotional. Yeah, sekuphelile ke. Uzoba worse. Rather for that moment. Khala and deal with that and have someone to talk to, even if noma ngabanga ifamily. Have someone to talk to ukuthi ngicela ukuzwa indaba engaka. And deal with that. Kodwa ungahlali kuyo isikhathi eside. Ungahlali kuyo isikhathi eside ngoba already it's a scar. Akusamelanga uhlale ukuthi okay, bathi mama mina wangilahla isigangeni. Asimazi. So uzoloku bambele into ukuthi mina mama ngimazi. Uzube na 30, 50, 70 oko uthe mina umama ngimazi. Umama ngimazi. Umama ngimazi. Usitshele lesika. What about your life? Into kumele uyenze, thank God ukuthi uMamthweni wadobha lapha esigangeni and uMamthweni took care of you, wakukhulisa, wakunikisa esikolweni, wakunikeza impilo enhle. Here you are today, who's who. Mhlawumbe one day you are a president of the country and uwumntwana owadodwa esigangeni. Because wena watshela ukuthi no, lesa sikalesa sokulahla nisishiya lapha kula mgqomo lo. Ngiyaqhubeka nempilo mina manje and be a better person.
I know iyazwakala so sisazoxoxa kakhulu ngeke le ama life coach nama motivational speaker abantu abayidlile imali
baba asinayo imali asinayo yes asinayo imali yes yeah
so like umuntu ofuna ukuxhumana nawe inamba yakho soyibhala la soyibhala la inamba yakho ofuna ukuxhumana nawe
okama
ubase kuphoka manje
mina I'm based eTsakani yes I'm based in Tsakani.
So, but abantu bengakucontact ngisho abakuphi South Africa yonke.
Yes, all over. Yes. I'm khona ku Facebook, ngikhona ku WhatsApp.
All right. Noma kanjani ama details akho siwabhala khona la.
Yes.
Mawuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nawe sesiphumula K ama details akhe yiwo lawo wabona lapha screenini sakho. Noma kanjani ngaphandle kokungabaza still gonna tackle more topics.
Yes.
As nje isikhathi siqhubeka mina naye nje okwamanje siyibhala khona la.